If I hear Raed once more, I shall give hint to the ducks.
It started off with a quack, lucky duck. They say it was a duck luck, black duck, mate.
All the ducks love flesh.
No. And I don't know what it is by now. Don't let it carry me. Like too much time, such a long time. Like, oh,
Lol. Now, it's time for complete quiet when I talk about chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. Hooray! I got through! Cold piss, warm cheese, and hot jams. Bendy! Whenever my mum gets me some horrible shit, she says, it's good. Have it, it's not nice, nice, baby! Nice, nice, baby! My dad says, don't tell your mother, let's have the snipid. I scream, you scream, we all scream the ice cream. I'm gay. Yeah, eh? You will clear it up, won't you? Mum says. So now, my brother, all puffed up, says, clear the fluff from under your bed, clear the fluff from under your bed, clear the fluff from under your bed, clear the fluff from under your bed.
Welcome to Theme Park World. This is Theme Park World. Asterisk tits fuck.
Shut up, stinks! You can't rule my life.
How can you go out like that? You look like a tramp. I don't want to be seen in the street with you.
I'm gonna take you to the movies.
Let's sit down and just be by my side. I got the popcorn, I know what as you like.
Chocolate cake. When I was a boy, I had a favourite. Oh, it was rain. Dash. Oh, I love rain. Dash. And then I went off to the front room to oh, bees. Shut your mouth. Shut up, shit face.
No!
Oh, yes. You fuck. Oh, bees. Fuck my life. Then he just fell over and died. Ha! Hard luck. Older me. Always knew you were a bit weak. Shut up, Michael. I'm not really dead. We lived in the sea, and the house smells of cum and fish and dead cat all the way from my bedroom to fucking bad house. And I say, anyone around here died?
Women are stupid and I don't respect them. That's right, I just have sex with them. Show me your genitals. Your genitals.
What?
Show me your genitals.
Genitalia.
Show me your genitals. Your genitals.
What?
Show me your genitals.
Genitalia.
My mum's favourite. Where's my script? Oh no, they're bound to notice now.